Okay, so we are going to do a little bit of another exercise, a different exercise, where the function isn't given anymore. Some other piece of information is given, and all we know is that we're going to have some quadratic magic coming out of it. Okay, so in this example, given is the vertex and the y-intercept. And so these are two coordinates that are given now. And let's see if we can sketch the graph. Let's see if we can find the function of it. And let's see if we can, what else is there to be found? Yeah, sketch the graph and obtain the function. That's what we want. Okay, so how should we sketch the graph? Let's go back to our little coordinate system here. So vertex is 3, -2. So x is equal to 3, this is x here, and this is y. X is equal to 3, 1, 2, 3, -2, I go down now, down into the ocean. So here somewhere, okay? Oh, that was not even good. Here, okay, I think you get the point, get it? The point? Anyway, okay, I'm trying to be funny. So y-intercept, 0 to 4, x is 0 and y is 4. So x is equal to 0, y is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 up here. Okay, x is 0, it has to be 0 because it's the y-intercept. It cannot be anything else. So, okay, the vertex here, that's supposed to be the symmetry point, right? So I could actually, right off the bat, do a little bit of a, let's see, dashed line through here and just write axis of symmetry x equal to 3. And I know that it's x equal to 3 because it's the x coordinate of the vertex, you see? So that's my equation for the axis of symmetry. So I know that the parabola has to be mirror symmetric around this axis. And it passes through a point here. So if x is equal to 3 there and 0 there, it means that I'm going 1, 2, 3 steps to come up to y equal to 4. Let's say I go 3 steps in the other direction. 1, 2, 3. It means here I must also be at y equal to 4. So I'm going to be somewhere here. Yeah? So, okay. I know it's going to be a parabola. I know that this will be a mirror symmetric type of thing. So it's going to look something like this. Because I'm sketching the graph, I don't have a square paper, I don't know exactly where the x-intercepts are, but it's going to look more or less like this. So it has, we can see instantly on this piece of paper that the parabola opens upward, so A is larger than 0. Yes, you got it correct. So A is larger than 0. A is larger than 0. Vertex is a minimum of the parabola. Parabola, I can't write now. P-A-R-A-B-O-L-A. That's supposed to be a P, okay? Parabola, not rarabula, because that wouldn't make sense in English. Unless that means something that I don't know what it stands for. I don't know. Anyway, so here is the parabola, and you see we're already getting out some very nice information from here. But let's see what is the equation that makes this shape. What does it look like? If we go back to our original question, to our original piece of information here, I know that y must be something in the sort of ax squared plus bx plus c. So when I'm asked to find the equation, I'm asked to find this a, this b, and this c. Once I have these numbers, I'm done, I'm fine. So, okay, the first thing to do is to look at the y-intercept. Why? Because x is equal to 0 here. So when I put in 0 here and here, you see my y is equal to 4. So I will have y is equal to 4 when what? When x is 0. So a times 0, that's just 0. A can be any number. If I multiply a by 0, I'm going to get 0. I don't care what a is equal to. It will fall away. The same thing with b times x. Well, b times 0 is just 0. However, the c stands alone without any x, so the c will not disappear. So I will have 4 equal to c in the end. Okay, so here I know that y is equal to ax squared plus bx plus 4. Because I know that my c is now equal to 4. Remains to find a and b. I'm still not done. But I knew what the vertex was. And the equation for the vertex is negative b over 2a. And that's equal to 3 in our case. Okay, so let's find just as we used the information for the y-intercept, let's use the information in blue for the vertex. So negative b over 2a, that was the x coordinate of the vertex, which is equal to 3. If I multiply both sides by 2a now, if I do that, I see that on the left-hand side, the 2a's will cancel each other out, but I have an extra 2a on the right-hand side. So I will get, let's make an arrow here. I will get negative b equal to 3 times 2, that's 6a. I can switch the negative signs around just to make the b stand alone. If I multiply by negative 1 on both sides, I get b is equal to negative 6 times a. Okay, so I have found a second piece of information that I didn't know before. I'm going to insert that into my b here. Remember, I want to find a, b, and c. C was already found. So I know now that y is equal to ax squared plus b times x. Well, b was equal to negative 6a. So let's replace the b with negative 6a times the x plus 4. And okay, so I still have an a in here. I'm still not done. But I actually didn't use all possible information because I know that when x is equal to 3, I have that y is equal to negative 2. This negative 2 is a piece of information we didn't use yet. So let's put in x equal to 3, and I must have y equal to negative 2. So negative 2 is equal to a, which is still unknown, times 3 squared, minus 6a times 3, because x was equal to 3, plus 4. Okay, let's do a little bit of simplifying here now. 3 squared is 9, so 9a. 3 times 6, that's 18, so minus 18a. Plus 4. Let's continue on another line. I have, if I do negative 4 on both sides, I have negative 2 minus 4, that's negative 6. And the negative 4's on the other side will cancel out. And also I know that 9a minus 18a, well, that's just negative 9a. So that's on the right-hand side of the equality sign. So negative 9 times a. So let's continue this equation. Whoops. Let's continue this equation. I have negative 6 equal to negative 9a. So I divide by negative 9 on both sides. I get negative 6 divided by negative 9 equal to negative 9a divided by negative 9. So by the same logic as before, these two negative 9's, they cancel out. These two negative signs cancel out. So I get that a is alone on one side of the equality sign. I have 6 over 9 left, which I can simplify to 2 over 3. So a is equal to 2 over 3. So to conclude this little exercise, I had that y is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. I got number 1, I got c equal to 4. And then I deduced that b was equal to negative 6 times a. I used that to find a is equal to 2 over 3. So if I insert that into my b here, I get negative 6 times a. Well, a is 2 over 3. So 2 over 3. And now we can simplify this again. I have negative 6 is 3 times 2 times 2 over 3. These two 3's will cancel out. bye-bye, bye-bye. I have 2 times 2 is 4. So the answer is -4. So b is equal to -4. So my answer is, y is equal to a is 2 over 3 x squared plus b times x. Well, b is -4, so minus 4x plus 4, because c is 4. Okay. So here's my answer. Please go through this video slowly again in case you didn't understand some parts. You can always pause and go back and listen to my voice and to see all these explanations. How many times you want to do it? Many times, I know. Okay, bye.